What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and today I'm gonna tell you how to properly edit your photos in Lightroom CC, which is the best mobile editor out there. You don't need any computer or laptop whatsoever. You can do this on your phone or iPhone or even tablets and iPads. So you can easily find this on Play Store and App Store. Now these photos are captured on Mate 9, which is a 3.5 years old phone, but it still takes great photos and we could work with that. As you can see, I've opened the Lightroom and I've got bunch of samples of photos, and now we're going to choose this portrait shot that I took. Now we're going to click on the sun icon, increase the exposure a little bit. Do not go hard with the exposure, otherwise it ruins your photo. We're going to increase contrast a little bit and decrease the highlight all the way up, because it would make your background more prominent, resulting in a very good photo. Now we're going to adjust the shadows a little bit, and I think this is pretty appropriate. Now we're going to decrease the whites to make the color of the skin a bit better. Now we're going to work with some blacks, and now we're going to increase the saturation a little bit. Do not go hard with saturation, it will ruin your photo. And as you can see, the resultant photo is much better than the previous photo. It is quite more detailed and quite much better exposed. Now we're going to work with another photo of a building that I took, and we're going to again do what I similarly did with the previous photo. Increase exposure a little bit and increase the contrast a little bit more, and decrease the highlights all the way down, and increase the shadows all the way up, and decrease the whites a little bit. And we're going to be careful with the blacks. And we're going to increase the vibrance a little bit. Do not go hard with the vibrance. It is also going to make your photos look trash. And a little bit of saturation would be good too. Now we can increase the clarity. Do not go all the way up. It might look good, but you don't actually need that much clarity. Go between 40 to 50%. And as you can see, the resultant photo is actually very good. Now similar to that, we're going to edit another sample photo, and I've done it fast forward because I don't want to waste your time. It is exactly the same that I've told you. Now there are some other photos that I want to show you that I took on Galaxy C7. That was Samsung's 4-year-old mid-ranger, launched in 2016. This is the photo of a sunflower. Now we're going to increase exposure a little bit, then contrast a little bit more, decrease the highlights all the way down, increase the shadows all the way up, decrease the whites all the way down, and adjust the blacks up to the appropriate level, and adjust the contrast again. And voila, you can see the photo. That resultant photo is actually very better than the previous photo that we had. It is very detailed, and best of all, Adobe Lightroom CC allows you to export the photos in the resolution that you took it in, which is very good, because a lot of the problem with the editors is that they decrease the quality of the photo when you export it, and a very few editors allow you to export the photos in the resolution in which you took them in. So this is a very big advantage of Adobe Lightroom, and this is why I suggest it mostly. So I hope you've gotten somewhat idea of how to edit your photos. If you like this video, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at Mr. Fantastic, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.